Welcome to Late Night Live Tonight, and when has that ever gone wrong for NBC? Seth Meyers said in kicking off his midterm show, joined by a photo of Kanye West from his recent appearance on Saturday Night Live. Late Night can now project that bourbon has defeated Xanax, Meyers said in his show's first, exclusive, voting results. Looking across the night, Meyers noted voters in Georgia had to wait hours in line because power cords were not provided for voting machines in a primarily African-American neighborhood. "Wow, I knew Brian Kemp would try to strip black people of the power to vote. I didn't know he would literally take away their power to vote," Meyers snarked. While Dems won back control of the House for the first time in 8 years, putting Trump's agenda in serious danger, the party lost seats in the Senate, and it was not the blue wave many had forecast heading into the night.
Still, Meyers put the results in the plus column, explaining, "Hey, if you've been in the desert for 2 years, a little splash of water feels like a damn tsunami, so come on." Meyers was the one late-night host to spell out that the House change means Dems can stop the GOP from repealing Obamacare, or drastically cutting programs like Social Security and Medicare. It also lets Dems protect the Russia investigation, Meyers explained, while also putting Dems in charge of House committees. Election results were very much about each party's closing messages, Meyers said. Dems vindicated their prediction they would win back the House with a closing message about health care, while Trump tried to scare people with racist conspiracy theories about the migrant caravan heading toward the southern border. Trump's advisors pleaded with him to talk about something else like the economy, but Trump admitted he found it boring, NBC's late-night host said, adding that former POTUS Obama could have told Trump that.
"This dude rescued us from one of the worst financial collapses in history," Meyers said of Obama. "And every time he tried to talk about it, it was such a snoozefest. Some heckler in the back would scream, 'This is boring. Show us your birth certificate.'" That heckler, Meyers reminded, was Trump, head of the birther movement.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.